Good morning everyone. Welcome to Eklavya online classes. As you all know that today we start our new poem, that is Go Not to the Temple. Okay, everyone open your book and start reading. This is very good poem. Okay, that is written by Rabindranath Tagore. Who write this poem? Who is the poet of this poem? Poet is Rabindranath Tagore. Clear? So, everyone open your book and start reading with me. Go not to the temple to put flowers upon the feet of God. First fill your own house with the fragrance of love. You understand this para meaning? This means that poet want to say that first you fill your home with the fragrance, okay, with the fragrance of love, okay, means आप भगवान गॉड के फीट्स पे जाके फ्लावर्स लगाते हैं, मीन्स फ्लावर्स चढ़ाते हैं, उससे अच्छा है कि फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू फिल योर होम योर हाउस विद वन मीन्स लव फ्रेगनेंस. ओके, तो आप सबसे पहले प्यार की खुशबू अपने घर में फैलाइए इन रिस्पेक्ट ऑफ इन एस्पेक्ट ऑफ गॉड फीट्स. ओके, सो यू ऑल अंडरस्टैंड द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस पैरा. सो अगेन रीड. Go not to the temple to put flowers upon the feet of God. First fill your own house. Okay? सबसे पहले अपने घर को प्यार से भरिए. Okay? प्यार की खुशबू से भरिए. Fragrance of love. Next. Go not to the temple to light candles before the altar of God. Altar means और टेबल फ्लैट टॉप्ड ब्लॉक यूज फॉर रिलीजियस राइवल्स के लिए, जो रिचुअल्स के लिए जो यूज होती है, दैट टेबल. ओके, फर्स्ट रिमूव द डार्कनेस ऑफ सिन, प्राइड एंड ईगो फ्रॉम योर हार्ट. मीन्स गो नॉट टू द टेम्पल. आप टेम्पल मत जाइए टू लाइट कैंडल्स बिफोर द अल्टर ऑफ गॉड. गॉड की टेबल पे कैंडल जलाने को फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आप अपनी जो डार्कनेस है, अपने दिलों की जो डार्कनेस है, अपने हार्ट्स में जो डार्कनेस है, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जो ईगो है, जो प्राउड है, रिमूव दैट फ्रॉम योर हार्ट. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू रिमूव योर ईगो, योर प्राइड from your heart. After then you go to the temple and then alter the candles. Go not to the temple to bow down your head in prayer. आप अपना सर झुकाने के लिए भगवान के सामने जाते हैं. First learn to bow in humility before your fellow men. It means fellow men means सबसे पहले आप अपने एसोसिएट्स के सामने सर झुकाना सीखिए. After that you go to the temple. You go to the temple. Before you don't go to the temple. जब आप अपने फेलो मेंस का रिस्पेक्ट नहीं कर सकते तो आपका टेम्पल जाने का कोई मतलब नहीं है. क्लियर? दिस इज वेरी इजी पोयम. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज गो नॉट टू द टेम्पल टू प्रे ऑन बेंडेड नीज. आप घुटनों के बल जाके और प्रेयर कर रहे हैं. फर्स्ट बेंड डाउन टू लिफ्ट समवन हु इज डाउन ट्रोडन. हु इज डाउन ट्रोडन मीन्स who is oppressed. सबसे पहले आप उसके सामने बैठिए नीज पे इन प्लेस ऑफ गॉड. गो नॉट टू द टेम्पल टू आस्क फॉर फॉरगिवनेस फॉर योर सिंस. आपके बुरे कामों की माफी मांगने के लिए आप भगवान के पास जाते हैं तो आप पहले वहां मत जाइए. फर्स्ट फॉरगिव योर हार्ट दोज हु हैव हर्ट यू. मीन्स सबसे पहले आप उनसे माफी मांगिए जिनका दिल आपने दुखाया है, जिनको आपने हर्ट किया है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल उनसे आप माफी मांगिए. क्लियर? सो आई थिंक यू ऑल अंडरस्टैंड दिस पोयम. मीन्स द समरी ऑफ दिस पोयम इज व्हाट Rabindranath Tagore poet want to say that first of all you remove your darkness from your heart. First of all, to whom you heard to take means go and forgive from that person in place of going to the temple. Clear? मीन्स सब पहले भगवान के पास जाने से अच्छा है कि जो आपने काम किए, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू फॉलो दिस ऑल थिंग्स इन ह्यूमैनिटी. क्लियर? First of all, you follow these all things in for human beings. Is that clear? I think this poem is very easy and you all understand also. Clear? Now next. This is very small poem. So now first of all, everyone open your notebook and write down hard words and word meaning of this poem. Clear? So first of all, write down hard words. Pride, feet, ego, pride, sin, sin, bow, sin, bow, bandage, next is left, forgiveness, these 8 hard words are there. Okay, so everyone open your notebook, fair notebook, and start writing this. Means you do your work like you always do in school. Okay, don't do in rough notebooks, because anytime school will reopen and I will check your fair notebooks. So everyone do in proper way and in good handwriting, clear, neat and clean work. So write down first is feet, second is what, ego, third is pride, fourth is sin, fifth is bow, sixth is banded, seventh is left, and eighth is forgiveness. Clear? So note down this. After that, word meanings. Everyone open notebook and write down word meanings. Yes, now writing that down word meanings. First is fragrance. Fragrance is a pleasant or sweet smell. A pleasant or sweet smell. Clear? Altar, a table flat topped, block, a table flat topped block, sorry, not blocked, it's block only. Block used for religious rituals. Clear? Next is, third is humility. Third is what? Humility. The state of being humble. The state of being humble. Next is fellow man. Fellow man is associates. Next is downtrodden. Downtrodden is oppressed. Downtrodden is what? Oppressed. So, first is what? First is fragrance. Fragrance is what? A pleasant or sweet smell. A pleasant or sweet smell. Okay. Next is altar. Altar is what? A table flat topped block used for religious rituals. Clear? Third is humility. Humility is what? The state of being humble. The state of being humble. Clear? Next is your fellow man. Fellow man is what? Associates. Fellow man is what? Associates. Clear? Next is your downtrodden. Its meaning is oppressed. What? Its meaning is oppressed. Clear? So all 5 word file I think you all clear also, and I think you all learn also. Okay? Now everyone listen carefully. Your exam syllabus, you all know that first chapter I think ma'am question answers not completed. So from second chapter word file also come. So each and every student listen carefully, all word files you learn thoroughly and all question answers you learn thoroughly. Clear? Second chapter, that is man versus animals. After that you learn poem, the heart of the tree, and after you learn chapter number 3rd, that is the postmaster. Clear? Each and every word file as well as each and every question answers. Don't leave any type of questions, and listen, don't ask this type of question that ma'am orally also come, answer the following also come. Each type of question answer which we did here, everything come in exam. Clear? And again I tell you, antonyms, synonyms, learn all. Don't leave any. So you have so many days, so start learning from today only. Paragraph, some students ask me that ma'am which paragraph come in exam. So paragraph come from outside, any paragraph I give you, that you write with your own words. So don't learn any type of paragraph. This is for your practice also and for your knowledge also. Clear? So everyone listen carefully, don't learn any type of paragraph. You learn only antonyms, synonyms carefully, because so many antonyms, synonyms are come in exam. So don't leave any, start from today only. Clear? And chapters, you all know their syllabus, everyone get in on WhatsApp group. So everyone follow that syllabus and start your learning work from today only, from today onwards. Clear? Now, you all understand this poem. Again listen carefully. Again I repeat. Go not to the temple to put flowers upon the feet of, means in first paragraph poet want to say that कि आप भगवान के फूल चढ़ाने से अच्छा है कि अपने घर में ही प्यार की खुशबू फैलाएं. Clear? Go not to the temple to light candles before the altar, means आप भगवान की टेबल पे कैंडल जलाने से अच्छा है कि फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू रिमूव योर डार्कनेस ऑफ, जो आपने बुरे काम किए हैं, जो मन में आपके कड़वाहट है, उसकी डार्कनेस को आप रिमूव करें. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल रिमूव योर ईगो, रिमूव योर प्राउड, ओके, फ्रॉम योर हार्ट. Go not to the temple to bow down your head in prayer, means आप वहाँ सर झुका रहे हैं, भगवान के आगे सर झुकाने से अच्छा है कि आप अपने एसोसिएट्स के सामने, जो आपके बड़े हैं, उनके सामने आप सर झुकाएं. Then go not to the temple to pray on bended knees. Bended means आप नीज पे बैठ रहे हैं. इससे अच्छा है कि सबसे पहले आप जाके, और जो आपके अगेंस्ट हैं, जो आपके ऑप्रेस्ड मीन्स जिनसे आप चिढ़ते हैं, जिनसे आप का मीन्स फर्स्ट बेंड डाउन टू लिफ्ट समवन हु इज डाउन ट्रोडन. ओके, गो नॉट टू द टेम्पल टू आस्क फॉर फॉरगिवनेस फॉर योर सिंस, मीन्स आप भगवान से आपके बुरे कामों की माफी मांगने से अच्छा है कि फर्स्ट फॉरगिव योर हार्ट दोज हु हैव हर्ट यू. आप सबसे पहले उनको माफ करिए जिन्होंने आपको हर्ट किया है. Clear? After that you go to the temple. Clear? So hard words complete, word file complete, poem complete, reading portion complete. Now we do in next class question answers of this poem. Clear? So I think everyone understand this poem. In next class we discuss our new question answers, new topic. Okay. So for today your class is over and your diary work write down. Learn English, learn exam syllabus complete. Okay, and do your work in fair notebook. Now, okay, so everyone note down. Thank you and have a nice day.